Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own fish oil. This easy method allows you to create fresh, high-quality oil right in your kitchen. We will cover everything from selecting the best fish to storing your finished product. You'll learn about the simple tools you need and the straightforward steps involved. Get ready to enjoy the benefits of pure, homemade fish oil with minimal effort. To begin, select about 1 pound of fresh, fatty fish such as salmon or mackerel. These fish are rich in the beneficial oils we want to extract. You'll also need a sturdy pot, a fine mesh strainer to separate the oil, and a clean glass jar for storage. Make sure your jar has a lid to keep your homemade fish oil fresh. First, cut your chosen fish into small, roughly 1-inch pieces. Place these pieces into your pot and heat them over very low heat. Do not add any water or oil. The fish will slowly release its natural oils. Gently simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once a good amount of oil has rendered, carefully strain the warm oil into your clean glass jar. Once your fish oil has cooled, seal the glass jar tightly and store it in the refrigerator. This homemade oil will stay fresh for approximately 1 to 2 weeks. For best results, use it within this time frame. You can take a small amount, perhaps 1 teaspoon, daily as a natural dietary supplement. Enjoy the pure, unadulterated benefits of your very own fish oil.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.